4th and...
Yeah, it looks like Mill Creek is though.
Copy that. And flame is clear on a silver Toyota Corolla.
Copy, I don't have any PUC other than just traffic.
Copy that. Do you want here?
Negative, open here.
Copy, here is open, 2038.
62 King 2 pursuit.
62 King 2.
Northbound 527. It's going to be County's car that took off from 527 Seattle Hill Road.
Northbound 527 from Seattle Hill Road in pursuit.
They're approaching 136, speeds in the 80s. Moderate traffic.
Approaching 136, speeds in the 80s.
652, approaching 132nd, heading northbound on 19.
Northbound approaching 132.
Ran a red light at 129.
Ran red light at 129.
Speeds in 80. Moderate traffic.
Speeds 80.
Passing 121st.
Passing 121st.
First is May. I'm monitoring. 62 King 3 attach me. Bothell-Everett 132.
Copy.
62 King 2 will be terminating at 112. Lost sight of the vehicle.
Terminating at 112.
You can open here.
Proceed. Please do this open. Terminating the pursuit.
His first name is Mason, M-A-S-O-N.
Affirm, sorry. 62 King 1, 2 King 2. Attack. What's the vehicle again? It's just a small four-door sedan. County attempted to stop Seattle Hill Road and 527. I don't know if they put the plate out or not. Copy. Do you know the original reason for the stop? Negative. I was at 153rd and Bothell-Everett Highway and a car just came roaring past me at a high rate of speed. Got it. Last seen, I'm assuming Bothell-Everett Highway and 112. Affirm. I came around the corner and the vehicle was pretty far in front of me and I couldn't see it anymore, so. Copy. Back to me.